What up, YouTube? It is your man Julio Greaser here today, and if you could see my reflection in this mirror, that means that we're gonna do weekly weigh-in number 2. And so this is the second week that I've been on my exercise, diet, health, weight loss thing, and we're just gonna do the weigh-in. So let's go do it. I can't talk today. All right, so make sure that the scale's back to normal. And it's at 0, so let's step on. 216. Alright, that's beautiful. Alright, so I will see you guys back in my room for a little, debrief. Alright, so let's debrief. So, like I said, last week was a very hectic week since I graduated last week, and there was a whole bunch of different celebrations that had, food that weren't healthy and stuff like that. So this week I stuck primarily to my nutrition plan. Over the course of a couple days, I picked up doing like health shakes, like nutritional shakes from Herbalife, and it's basically just like a vanilla powder with water, and I throw some fiber in there just to have the fiber intake, and it's good. It just helps. It keeps me full, so I don't have to eat, and that way I don't eat as much unhealthy stuff. And I usually have like a little snack for lunch, like an apple or maybe just like a sandwich, and then for dinner I usually just have a regular sized dinner, and that's how it pretty much goes. So the goal for this week was to lose 3 pounds. I lost 4 from the 220 that I was last week, so that's good. I'm going strong. I lost 1 more than I hoped for. So for next week I hope to lose another 3 pounds, so I'll get down to probably 213. And I just got a treadmill in my house, so that way I can run more. And since it's hot outside now, I'm gonna be sweating more too, so it's gonna be fun. Then stick with the nutrition place. I haven't actually, the only thing I've been having nutritional is pretty much the shake, but I have to start getting up early enough to actually go to the actual store, and they give you a full service. They give you like alloy with water, which cleans your system. Then you have tea that makes you sweat, and then you have the shake, which gives you all your vitamins and stuff like that. So hopefully I'm on the right track, and thank you guys for sticking with me. So see you next week.